Hi everyone, this is Karima and you're welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this very beautiful and very easiest miniature flower bucket with flower pot. Yes, it's completely handmade. So without any further talking, let's get started. So first here I'm starting with making the flower pot. For this here I have joined total 15 to 16 strips together, and here I'm creating the tight coil. Then here one strip length is 29 centimeters and the strip here I'm using is 3 mm. Just creating a tight coil. Now just using my fingers I'm just opening this tight coil and just creating a deeper dome like so. Now just pushing this from the bottom portion and to make it little straight path so that it will stand nicely. Now just add little glue inside this and just spread it using brush so that don't remain any extra portion inside this. Spread it evenly and gently, otherwise if you don't spread it nicely it will get open. So just allow it to dry. Now I'm going to show you how to make the fringed flowers. So here I'm taking this 6 mm red color strip, just cutting the fringes, not cutting from bottom to top, just stop at the middle line. So after opening the folding you will get the whole fringe strip. Just doing the same process with the orange strip also. Here today's theme of the flowers is red and orange, that's why I'm taking these colors. Now just joining these both together, and here I'm taking the lighter shade first and the darker shade outside. Now just secure this with glue. Now just allow it to dry. Now it's dried, I'm just opening the fringes of this flower using my fingers. So the fringed flower is ready. In the same way do this process with the remaining strips. Now for the flower pot, here I'm just coloring down this into brown color, because as I have tell you many times that it's not necessary to use ready-made quilling strips. You can, here you will see that here I have just created this flower pot using this scrap strips, and then I'm just going to color this. Now allow it to dry. Now I'm taking, for the stem here I'm taking these toothpicks. I'm just cutting down from the middle portion and I have colored down with the same color, brown color, Vani Sanika color, and then I'm just attaching these toothpicks with the flower, middle portion of the flowers. Now I have first cutted some leaves, that's why I'm just adding these leaves to the stem of the flower. Now I'm taking this styrofoam, it's not thermocol, it's styrofoam, but you can take thermocol also. For this I'm just tracing this according to the size of the flower pot and just cutting this using my paper cutter. Now just adding the styrofoam inside this flower pot. I'm just pricking my toothpick inside this and just creating little holes. So what reason I'm doing this? It will become little sturdy when we add the flowers, they would become sturdy. It's upon you, you can add many flowers how much you want, 1, 2, 3, 4, it's upon you. Now I'm adding to the remaining portions, gap portions, I'm adding these green color leaves here and there. Now I'm taking these Fabrica metallic colors, this is rose gold color. I'm just creating little lines. I just left simple, I'm not more decorating this, you can decorate this more. I'm creating little simple lines just to highlight it more. The decoration of the flower pot, it's upon you. So the beautiful and very quick, easiest miniature flower pot is ready. My project is done. Hope you enjoyed this. Please subscribe my channel for more innovative ideas. I will be back again with another craft inspiration. Until then, bye bye.